So it's been a bit of a busy day today. Cleared all this ready for the arrival of a mini digger. So I created an entrance in the woodland, and then made a ramp basically with all the rubble and soil that I took from here. So yeah, once I've got the mini digger in here, I can scrape all that back and go through it and sort it all out. But yeah, I've also been doing today, cleared all the front. I'll show you that now. I did the water main with some sand, building sand, put that in position, tampered that all down. So that's now ready for type 1. And then out the front here, I basically redug the front bit and made it a bit deeper because I wasn't particularly happy with that. Redone that, cleared all the front, ready for type 1 delivery tomorrow. And then I'll show you what I've been doing around the side. So basically what I've done down the side is I've created a bit of a mound, cleared all this and created a mound which I'll finish off when the digger's here to scrape up through and give me an entrance in and out of the garden. So that's the plan, Stan. And that was hard. Fair play to the Victorians, they built that well. But yeah, get the mini digger through here, scrape this all back, trample all that down with the digger, get the digger and trample that all down, kill it all, and so it doesn't encroach on the property, and get up over here and clear all this, all the old bits that the council can't be bothered to clear, and bit of drive. And I think the client wants to put planning permission for a garage and drive there, which I think would be really good. Yeah, so it's mental what you can do on your own and you put your mind to it. But yes, ready for type 1 now. Makes things a bit safer in here, and I'll whack that all down at the weekend. And yeah, and what we've discovered as well, when we hacked off this old render plaster, that's going to be the stone wall on the outside. It's going to look lush. So yeah, real busy day, boys and girls. I'm absolutely cream crackered, if you want my honest opinion. Had the little bonfire ticking over quietly when I was clearing all this crap. Knocked that old wall out there so the mini digger can plough on through there and scrape it all back. So yeah, slowly but truly, not a bad day's work. So there we go, fast you go.